Hi everyone, I'm Chef Ayesha Nallaseth and today I want to share with you my personal fitness journey. A few years back, I was over 100 kgs and I had made up my mind to make a lifestyle change. Now this was for the sake of my daughter so that I was energetic and could play with her and move around easily. Through my fitness journey, I realized that sugar is the actual killer and I have a massive sweet tooth. So I had to find an ingredient that took care of my sweet cravings. And I found it. It is the Nutriplus Natose. Nutriplus Natose is a natural sugar substitute and has 0 calories. It is ideal for sweetening food and beverages. Stevia is 40 times sweeter than regular sugar. Isn't that amazing? One very important point about Nutriplus Natose is that you can heat it. You can use it for baking and for cooking. And that is really amazing. So now I'm going to show you 2 yummy, healthy recipes using the Nutriplus Natose. So let's get started. Who doesn't love Choco chip cookies? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make healthy, naturally sweetened Choco chip cookies. So let's get started. All our ingredients are right here and let's get the recipe going. Take a big bowl. Add 1 cup of unsalted butter. Add 3 teaspoons of your Nutriplus Natose. Now remember, it is very, very sweet, all right? So be careful when you're adding it. So we'll add 3 spoons. And then all we're going to do is whisk it all up together. Once this has been whisked well, we'll add 1 egg to it. Now, if you don't want to add egg, you can also add flaxseed powder. So you take flaxseed powder, add it to water and let it steep in it. And then you take 1 spoon and add it. So that acts like an egg replacer. So we whisk this up as well. Now we'll add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So now let's add milk to it. So you can use coconut milk, almond milk, oat milk, skim milk, whatever you have easily available. I am using coconut milk today. So we're going to add 4 teaspoons of it or 2 tablespoons. And let's give it a quick whisk. Now once this is done, we're going to add the flour, which is 2.5 cups of flour. We're going to add 2/3 cups of oats. Also a little bit of baking powder. A pinch of salt. And some choco chips. Mix it all up together. And your cookie dough is going to be ready to bake. Now remember, you have to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and then spoon out your cookies and place it in the oven. There we have it. Our cookie dough is ready. Just mix all the ingredients up and then we get ready to bake. So here you take a baking tray which is lined with butter paper and then we're going to just spoon out the cookie dough. So we're just going to put it on our pan which has already been lined and we'll just give it a little press with the back of a spoon. Give enough space when you're spooning the cookie dough. There needs to be enough space between the dough. Now here you can flatten the dough, make it absolutely flat. And there you have it. Our dough is ready to bake. Now if you want to flatten it, and I like to do this, just press it down. So you get these lovely rustic cookies, which are absolutely healthy, sweetened naturally using natose. And there you go. Our dough is ready to go in the oven. So don't worry, the dough will spread out and you'll get brilliant cookies. So there we go. So my cookies are in the oven and I'm going to show you another recipe while they are baking. So breakfast is the most important part of the day, right? And I have a very special recipe to show you that I consume for breakfast, especially after my workout. It gives you high energy through the day and it is high on protein. Now I have all the ingredients here. It is the chia seed strawberry oat bowl, which you have to soak overnight. So let's get started. You need a bowl for this recipe. Then we add 1.5 teaspoon of chia seeds. Now remember, chia seeds, when they soak, they almost triple in size, all right? Then you need oats. Then we're going to add milk. Now again, the milk that you use can be soya milk, almond milk, oat milk, coconut milk or regular milk, whatever you like. Then we are going to add yogurt. So here we are adding 1/2 cup of yogurt. So now we'll add the Nutriplus Natose, which obviously is very, very sweet. So we'll add a teaspoon of it. And that is it. All you do is mix up all these ingredients together and leave it in the refrigerator overnight. So let's just give it a quick mix. Everything is all mixed up. All we're going to do is refrigerate the mixture and keep it overnight. Now I already have a batch that is ready and I'd like to show you what happens to it. So it's right here. This is our overnight soaked chia seed oats mixture that we just made. Now like you can see here, it is very, very thick. And that happens because the chia seeds, the oats, they soak up all the milk. So what do we do here? You have to add a little bit more of the milk and make it to the consistency that you like. All right. So we'll add more milk, make it a little thin. It can be very thin, it can be thick. And this recipe, you can also heat it up and have the bowl. It need not be cold because right now it is cold. So you can make it warm and then consume it. So like you can see here, we are just thinning out the oats and the chia seeds. Now to this mixture, you can add your favorite fruit. You can add diced strawberries or you can add diced bananas or any seasonal fruit that is available. So we're going to add some strawberries to it. Just a few strawberries can be added. You dice them up and that's about it. And I would always recommend fresh seasonal fruits are the best. There you have it. Add your diced strawberries to your bowl. Or like I said, any seasonal fruit can be added to this. There you go. Mix it all up and plate up your chia seed oat strawberry bowl. So I'm going to plate it up. It's a great dish, especially to consume for breakfast. It's also very high in fiber because of the oats. and it's naturally sweetened. I mean, what can get better than that, right? So there you go. And let's just garnish it with the lovely strawberry. That's it. So my chia seed oat strawberry overnight bowl is ready, and also our cookies are already freshly baked. So let me make some space here and I'm going to show you how they look. We have them right here. Freshly baked hot choco chip cookies that are absolutely healthy and sugar free. So I hope you enjoyed these two healthy recipes that is going to help you take that first step on your fitness journey, just like it helped me, using the Nutriplus Natose, which is exclusively available on QNET India e-store. Do like, share and comment below.